ladies and gentlemen, do we have a purpose? That is you and I. People have been pondering the meaning of things for hundreds of years. Plagues, harvests, we incessantly seek the meaning behind things. We as a species crave, need explanations. We want explanations to make sense of our world, because without it, life is confusing. But why? It seems that in the days of old, we explain things like earthquakes and harvests with gods and deities. Mighty Thor, Stormbringer, righteous Indra, king of the Devas. Nowadays, we attribute a lot of it to the sciences, physics, chemistry, psychology, whereas what we do not understand, what we theoretically could never understand, we attribute to philosophy, like ontology and mereology. And yet, with so many philosophical roads to go down, one question pops up again and again: the meaning of life. People have been pondering the meaning, the reason for our existence for millennia, fools and intellectuals alike, and yet we've never gotten close to an answer. Why is that? Perhaps we ought to redefine the meaning of purpose. Does a piece of iron on a distant star or a faraway planet like Mars have a purpose? Most would say not, it doesn't affect us. Yet that same precious mineral here on Earth has a lot of value. And this stage, if every performer on the planet simply vanished, the stage would not have a purpose. So, purpose depends on life, and yet we've all said that all life has a purpose. How can this be? We treat purpose as this kind of universal, mind-independent property that all things in the universe has. We say that everything has a purpose until you decide that it doesn't. But that simply isn't true. Nothing in the universe has a purpose until you decide it does. The reason the meaning of life is so undefinable is because that it must be defined by life itself. I was not born with purpose. I grew and I chose